Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to add Subtask in Jira. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to atlassian.net. First, select the square on the upper left, then select Jira software. Then, open up any existing ticket that you have created, and under that, you'll be able to find an option for Subtask. Just click on it and fill in the details on what it is about, and then just simply click on Create. This is how easy it is to use Jira. For example, this is the project. I'm clicking on the project right now. Then on the lower left, I will select Project Settings. Then in here, on the left corner, I will select Issue Types. Under Issue Types or Project Settings, I will select Task. And then in here, there are a lot of options. You can also add subtasks as well. Just follow the sequence. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.